Now look, we all talk about New Year's resolutions, but let's be real. Only a fraction of you will rise to the top. Are you going to be part of the 9% who make it happen? Or are you sticking with the 91% who keep repeating the same old story? Today, we're diving deep into the glow-up and looks-maxing trend that's taken the internet by storm. Barber quality trimmer. Meet my secret weapon, the Babyless Gold FX Outliner. Heavy, durable, and cuts through facial hair like a hot knife through butter. Your average drugstore trimmers won't cut it, pun intended. Invest in something your barber would use, and you'll see the difference. Water bottle. Hydration is key. Ditch the plastic bottles. They're not sustainable. Invest in a quality stainless steel water bottle. It's sturdy, chemical-free, and keeps your water at the perfect temperature. Hydration is a glow-up game changer, trust me. Tongue scraper. A simple tool with a massive impact on your oral hygiene. Trust me, it's a game changer. Opt for stainless steel over plastic for easy cleaning and superior performance. You'll be shocked at the gunk you scrape off daily. TheraBreath Mouthwash. This mouthwash is pure magic. No sting, just a swish of freshness. It removes hidden food particles and leaves your breath minty fresh even the next morning. It's a bit pricier, but trust me, there's nothing like it. Cologne. Fragrances define you. Ditch the mainstream scents and go for signature fragrances. I'm currently vibing with Tom Ford Ombre Leather for winter and Replica Jazz Club for everyday wear. Find scents that resonate with you. Be unique. Ice Gel Mask. Cold therapy is your skin's best friend. Forget direct ice. It's a disaster waiting to happen. Use an ice gel mask for uniform cold exposure. It reduces inflammation, puffiness, and leaves your skin feeling rejuvenated. Crest White Strips. A bright smile is a game changer. Crest White Strips are easy to use, effective, and cost-efficient. Say goodbye to stains and hello to a confident smile. Collagen powder. The beauty secret that's no longer a secret. Collagen powder has countless benefits, from improved skin texture to anti-aging. One scoop in your morning tea, and you'll notice the difference.